Guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat. Magandang araw. At flex ko lang itong isang napakagandang coin at pasalubong sa atin ng ating mga nagmamahal na kaibigan, pasalubong ng pamilya na nagmula sa Australia. Eto meron tayong $2 dito. Ayan, $2 at ito yung the 6th portrait of Elizabeth II. Ayan. Ang series niya ay Matilda's Women's World Cup 2023 at yellow. Mamaya makikita ninyo ang yellow sa likod. Ito po ay circulating commemorative coin 2023. Ayan. Ang kanyang composition ay aluminum bronze, pad printed, at may bigat na 6.6 grams. Ang kanyang diameter ay 20.5 mm. Ang kanyang thickness 3.2 mm. Commemorative issue Matilda's Yellow, series of FIFA Women's World Cup 2023. At ito pa rin ang kanyang obverse. Ayan, the 6th crowned portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, facing right. Ayan, wearing the George IV state diadem and the Victorian coronation necklace. Ayun necklace, memorial of verse. At ang kanyang reverse naman, ayan. So ang kanyang reverse makikita ninyo, football, ayan. Football inside a yellow ring flanked by circular shaped lines representative of football field, and above is the logo of the Football Federation of Australia. At ang kanyang edge, siyempre edge, ayan. Ang kanyang edge ay may apat na mahabang smooth segments between the four reeded segments. 5 grooves po, meron niya 5 grooves. Ayan. So hanggang dyan lang po. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang panunood, pagbabahagi lamang. Hindi po ako bumibili, hindi po ako nagbebenta. Thank you.